You are watching Kidiez World TV. Hello and welcome to my channel Kidiez World TV. How are you friends? I hope you all are fine. Today we are here in our Dino Iceland mud ground with another video of Kidiez World TV. As you can see, there's a big Ankylosaurus, and these animals and dinosaurs basically they love Ankylosaurus. Like I told you in many videos, the Ankylosaurus is one of my favorite dinosaurs. So you can see the Pachycephalosaurus, T-Rex, this Triceratops, they are all get together with this Ankylosaurus. So basically they are into some picnic or some party, or maybe they are going for some outing. Back side they have animals and in the front side they have dinosaurs. So let's start our video. Here we go. Dog. Dog. Tyrannosaurus Rex. Tyrannosaurus Rex. Gorilla. Gorilla. Brachiosaurus. Brachiosaurus. Sheep. Sheep. Pteranodon. Pteranodon. Panda. Panda. Stegosaurus. Stegosaurus. Elephant. Elephant. Velociraptor. Velociraptor. Zebra. Zebra. Triceratops. Triceratops. Camel. Camel. Tyrannosaurus rex. Tyrannosaurus rex. Pachycephalosaurus. Pachycephalosaurus. Giraffe. Giraffe. Oviraptor. Oviraptor. And this big giant Ankylosaurus. Ankylosaurus. I hope you like our video. Thank you for watching the video. Please subscribe the channel. Thank you.